What is the impact of voter turnout on local elections? Have you ever wondered how the number of people who vote can shape the future of your community? Voter turnout plays a vital role in state and local elections, influencing who gets elected and what policies are enacted. When turnout is low, the elected officials may not reflect the views and needs of the entire community. Instead, the electorate often skews toward older, wealthier, and more politically active individuals. This can lead to decisions that favor special interest groups over the broader population. One major factor affecting voter turnout is when elections are scheduled. Many local elections occur in off-cycle years, separate from larger federal or state elections. This timing can result in turnout rates as low as 20%. However, research shows that when local elections are held on the same day as presidential elections, participation can more than double. States can create laws to align these election dates, which helps ensure a more representative electorate. Another important aspect is voter registration and access laws. States have different rules regarding how people can register to vote. Those that offer online registration or same-day registration often see higher turnout rates. Local governments can work within these state frameworks to make voting easier by providing convenient polling locations and extended hours. Information also plays a key role in voter turnout. Many people are unaware of local candidates and issues, which can discourage them from voting. State policies can help fund voter education initiatives and ensure that local governments are transparent. When voters know more about their choices, they are more likely to participate in elections. Low turnout can disproportionately affect marginalized communities, including people of color and low-income individuals. State policies that make voting more accessible, like reducing strict identification requirements or expanding early voting, can help these groups engage more fully in the electoral process. Higher turnout among these populations can lead to a shift in local political power, resulting in policies that better reflected diverse community needs. The consequences of turnout levels are significant. In local elections, where margins of victory can be small, each vote carries more weight. Low turnout means that a small and representative group often decides important local issues, such as funding for schools and public services. Laws that improve turnout help ensure that elected officials are accountable to a broader electorate, leading to more equitable governance. State legislatures can influence local election outcomes by implementing several strategies. They can mandate or encourage the alignment of local elections with larger state or federal elections. They can also enact laws that facilitate voter registration and reduce barriers to voting. Additionally, providing guidance on early voting and polling place accessibility can make a big difference. Supporting voter education initiatives is also essential for raising awareness about local elections. In summary, state policies and laws significantly impact voter turnout in local elections. This, in turn, affects the representativeness and legitimacy of local governments. By improving turnout through thoughtful legal reforms, states can strengthen civic engagement and enhance the functioning of democracy at the local level.